Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own, how you can make your own private town server in Heartopia if you'd like to. So select the windmill and select the My Town. It says no self-built town yet. Create town. You are also going to enter the town's password. So the duration is so 5 diamonds is 1 hour. So 2 hours is 10 diamonds, 3 hours is 15 diamonds, etc., etc. So for instance, you want to make one, it's just 1 hour with no one else in it. Enter your town password and then you're just going to create and proceed. I'm not going to do that though because I don't need a private town for now. But for instance, you want to record something and there's just a lot of people in the way. If you're on a public town, obviously you can't really control that, but if you want to, you can create your own town by doing so. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!